In this video, we're gonna show you how to buy Sologenic on Uphold. So just click on Uphold link and here you can see this type of page. First of all, you need to do is go to uphold.com and you need to click sign up. So how you can sign up? Just click on top right hand side and click on sign up, and then sign up with your email account and personal information. After you signing up, Uphold will send you a verification code. So just go to your email and verify. Then Uphold will send you a link in your email. So you will click the link and you will create a password. Then sign into Uphold again with the password. After that, go to Uphold and click on this buy icon. You can buy the amount, whatever the amount you want, and when you click the buy icon, Uphold will show you how to add cart buy with PayPal, credit card or some online payment methods. So that's how you can buy Sologenic on Uphold.